what's going on. You don't know where 2024 went. And you are just taking things day by day and living a slow life, and that's fine. But 2025 is all about rebranding. So whether you are on a fitness or wellness journey, whether you are looking to change your career, whether you are trying to create or obtain a new hobby, 2025 is all about rebranding. And you could have rebranded in 2024, but that's the magic of a new year. It's a new year, it's a fresh start, and you can rebrand again. And you may be watching this video and you're not really sure what you want. You're just like, I just want to take it day by day, and that's fine. But we're just going to walk through this together. We're going to talk about rebranding and being very intentional on what you want. Sometimes it's even just fashion and changing your wardrobe. Those little things are all encompass rebranding. First thing I want you to do is work on your network. Work on your LinkedIn profile, go to more, or look. Eventbrite has depending on what state or country you're in, Eventbrite has a lot of events, networking events. If you need to work on your network, or if you need to grow your network, I need you to think outside of the box and start making those connections. A lot of times, even just connecting with people, if you are changing your career, just sending a simple email to people who are already a part of your network, just letting them know that you're going to change your career or this is what you're doing in 2025. Make those connections with the network that you already have. Look online and be open to attending networking events. Again, it's something that you can attend those events in the future. Don't put too much pressure on yourself right now, but I love the idea of actually thinking about it, right? Because sometimes, like the social anxiety for some, think about what you want to do and then actually do it. Give yourself a timeline, but just give yourself grace as well. It may not be January, but say in the springtime, I'm going to attend a networking event every weekend or a happy hour. Or you're going to attend a retreat that's in the network or the field that you want to be in. If you're a content creator, you may want to attend a content creation. If you're in tech, you may want to attend a tech conference. Be intentional in, attending events with a large population is a great way to actually grow your network. And definitely make sure that you find gatherings where your future self will hang out. Like that, think about your future self. Where would she be? Where would she hang out at? Now we're going to talk about your environment. If you are on a wellness journey or if you want to be more productive, one of my favorite tips is just putting your phone in a different room and allocating a certain amount of time to work on whatever project, or maybe you just say, I'm going to limit my screen time this year. Whatever works for you, definitely think a little bit outside of the box. Maybe turn off your phone, put it in a separate room. Also, if you are looking to eat healthier, make the healthy snacks more visible. I love meal planning and meal prepping. So it's very fun for me to just go to the store, pick up all of the snacks that I need, especially if for the month, if it's one of the things that you want to do less, is like eat out less, or, on the weekends you only eat out. So think about what you want to do and what your goal is and what's out there to assist you with accomplishing your goal. Is it having a membership to like a BJ's, Costco, and Sam's Club, and then going there once a month and stacking up on your favorite treats, nuts, trail mixes, creating your own trail mixes, granola. Think about what you need to do and what steps you can do to make those goals more obtainable. Your environment should do the heavy lifting for you. And if you have issues with like going back to bed after you make your bed like impossible. Like when you go to the hotel and the beds are like so tight and nice and neat, make your bed impossible to get back into. You want to create a heavy lifting space that's going to work in your favor. If you have a project that you have been putting off, I love the 2-minute rule. Just every day commit 2 minutes for it. And then also what you can do is say you're organizing your space. Spend those 2 minutes organizing your space and set a timer on your phone. Once the timer is off, give yourself a break, and then look back into giving yourself those 2 minutes. It could be organizing, it could be checking emails, responding to text messages. It's so important to start tiny, and even if you go past the 2 minutes, that's great. But if you don't make it past, well, once you make it past the 2 minutes, that is your stopping point. You should definitely give yourself grace. And one of my favorites is a present to you. One of the things that I love is gift giving is my love language, and create a present that your future self cannot resist. And once you obtain the goal that you have in mind, gift yourself that present. Think about it. Is it a vacation that you really want? Is there, once you lose weight, is there an outfit that you want to put on or you want to gift yourself? Or is it a new camera if you are thinking about creating content, or a new phone if you are thinking about creating content? What is that piece that you want that you can give yourself, that you know, if you, for lack of better words, if you dangle that little, treat in front of your face, you're like, you know what, I have to get this done, because if I get it done, I know I'm just looking forward to the reward. I also love the idea of the accountability hack. It's not too late to share your aspirations and your goals with your community. Definitely take the time out to post on, whether it's your friend group, post it on Facebook or your social medias. Take the time out to really, make your goals public. And ask your community to keep you accountable for your goals. You have no idea how your community will show up for you if you just let them know that you need their support, whether it's with posting on social media, losing weight, job changes, career changes. You never know the support that you will receive if you don't ask for it. Nothing motivates you more like the fear of failure. So that's one of my favorite hacks, is just sharing things public with people. And trust me, your community is going to keep you accountable. So that's something that I love. And you have no idea what friend, even if you don't have a community, especially like with TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, you have no idea how complete strangers will show up for you if you let them know that you need their support. So I know for some people they don't have a really large community, but you do, once you put the information out there, people will show up for you. Productivity Island is one of my favorites as well. Productivity Island hopping. You create islands of focus in just 25 minutes. Between each island, reward yourself with 5 minutes. Trust me, your brain will love this pattern. I would love for you to share your favorite productivity hack in the comment section. And again, this is all about creating a better version of yourself. You already have the tools, you already have the resources. You just need, a little bit of fine tuning. But thank you so much for checking out this video, and I will chat with you in the next one.